Doesn't Unreal Engine have a limit, and Mk.5 is already approaching that? There is a limit, yes, but it's not Unreal Engine tied. It's tied to like how, it's tied to like more it's tied to the fact that we're using floating point numbers for the inputs and outputs of conveyor belts, and that causes some like visual issues. And I mean, that's the main reason why we haven't added Mark 6 belts. Because we haven't been able to solve that issue. But it's possible that we can solve that issue. It's possible that we might be able to solve that issue. It's possible that we might not be able to solve that issue. And, you know, based on that can also, you know, affect our decision whether we'll go with Mark 6 belts or not. So we don't know. Like, we haven't, that's the main reason why we also haven't given an answer on this, is because we haven't actually delved into that programming problem yet. And, you know, that's a big deciding factor on whether we can do it or not. So there's some dependency there. So we'll see. Make Mark 6 build without actual item rendering if rendering is the issue? Possibly, yes. It might also be that it's not the rendering that's actually the issue. It might also be the case where, because we have tried having belts without rendering, and it is very unclear what's going on when you don't have items moving and you can't see that something is happening. It creates like this weird you don't see what's going on essentially. And that can be also more performant, but it's like bad UX, user experience. Yeah, disparity, exactly. So I don't know if I don't think we like that solution, honestly. Mark says just teleporter. So I hate to break it to you guys, but even if they were just like teleporters, the only thing you're saving is the rendering of the items moving. Apart from that, they would function the same way, essentially. You're still doing input-output calculations, stuff like how items are moving in speed, and like you can still run into those precision issues, especially when you don't have good performance, like if you're on low FPS. So that would actually not solve the problem. It would just reduce the amount of items rendered, which could potentially improve it. But factory, like tick-wise, it would still be the same.